This FITCAMX dash camera is designed to replace the factory trim on compatible Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport models, giving a clean, built-in appearance without dangling wires or windshield clutter. The front camera records in 4K resolution, while the rear unit captures in Full HD, and the wide aperture lens with wide dynamic range helps preserve detail in both bright daylight and low-light driving. Once installed, the system starts recording automatically with the vehicle and uses loop recording, so you do not have to manage files manually. A built-in gravity sensor and parking monitoring mode can detect significant impacts when the car is parked and preserve those clips so they are not overwritten. The integrated Wi-Fi and companion application make it straightforward to review footage on a phone or computer and to pull important videos without removing the camera from the car. Build quality is solid with heat-resistant materials rated for a broad temperature range, and the included large-capacity memory card means most owners can use it immediately without extra accessories.